Welcome back. In this video, we will explore one of the most important SQL clause, the WHERE clause. It's used to filter data so that we only get the rows we care about. You will see it almost every time you query a database, and it also works with update and delete. The basic syntax looks like this. It said select column list, that is the list of columns we want to select from, then table name, that is from which table we want to view the data, then comes WHERE clause, and with the condition, that is we will specify what condition to filter the data here. So if you use a column alias in select, let's say select first name as, let's say, name, you can't use the alias in the WHERE clause, that is you can't use this alias in here. You will have to use the exact column name. So let's say we want all customers whose first name is Jamie. So let's select first name. I'll just remove the alias. Last name from customer, and our condition is first name is Jamie. Now it should return only the names where first name is Jamie. So let's execute this, and we can see that there are two Jamies in our customer database. What if we want Jamie WAG only? We can use AND operator to specify another condition in our WHERE clause. So let's say AND so this should only return this row here. Now we can see only one result. So now you know how to filter rows using WHERE clause with simple conditions such as the equal operator and AND operator. In the next video, we will go further and explore OR, IN and like operator. Super useful for pattern matching and filtering multiple values. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.